So this is my Android program for my prelim exam in CC6. So we have here a simple landing page. So ang pinili ko pong topic is yung Introduction to C language, which currently only has 3 chapters, mostly focus sa introduction. Then we have here a become a programmer na button. Pag pinindot siya, pupunta siya sa chapter 1. Then ilaload niya yung web view ng chapter 1. Then ito yung mga Java classes ko, multiple pages with lahat sila may sariling web view. Then ito yung mga HTML ko under ng assets. So we have about chapter 1, 2, and 3. Then we have the XML files to introduce yung itsura ng ginawa kong Android application. Iloload ko lang po siya. So we have here yung landing page nga po. Then simple lang po siya, become a programmer para sa mga beginners. Then pag pinindot siya, it will load chapter 1 na may web view. So chapter 1 mainly consists of C keywords and identifiers, the character sets, yung mga alphabets, mga subtopics. So short lang po siya, bali naka-shortcut po siya. Yung pinaka in-include ko po ditong mga lessons ay yung mga hindi talaga pwedeng mawala sa knowledge ng nagsisimula pa lang sa programming. Then we have a list of the reserved keywords. So ito yung mga words na hindi siya pwedeng gamitin as variable kasi naka-reserve nga po siya. Then to go to chapter 2 or 3 and to about, you only have to simply click any of these buttons po. So for example, chapter 2, so may sarili din po siyang web view, mostly about siya sa C data type. So yung chapter 3 pares lang din sila ng layout and concept ng yung pinaka-flow mismo ng Android application. So we have C data types, an example. Then yung pinaka-include ko rin po dito yung pinaka-ginagamit ng basic data types na kailangan aralin ng mga beginners. Then we have the input and output. Then ito yung sample screenshot ng syntax ng output. So C programming, printf. Then we have the output, C programming. Then the input yung scanf. So ito yung output pag ginamit siya. Then the basic operators, the arithmetic, increment, then assignment operators. Then for chapter 3 we have the basic flow control. So dito hindi ko muna in-include yung switch case. So ang pinaka-focus dito is yung if statements. So we have the basic syntax. So kung di po siya kita lahat sa gagamit ng ganitong program, i-scroll na lang po siya or i-drag na lang yung screen. So we have yung may mga screenshot din naman po siya. Then we have the simple output, and we have the examples. We have the if-else statement. So may explanation din siya kung ano yung tatakbo pag true yung expression or false. Then we have the if-else ladder. So yung marami ang if-else. So we have a sample here. If, else if, then else. Then we have the sample output. So enter two integers, 12 and then 23. The result is 12 is less than 23. So nandito din po siya yung so hanggang dito lang po siya. So short and brief na introduction to C language lang. So total 3 chapters. Then we have the about page. Simple brief description lang about the system, sino gumawa, yung pangalan ko, then ilang chapters meron. Then we have simple profile about sa developer. So So, picture ko po yan. So, thank you for listening.